Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes, and to do that I'm gonna use my Ulta Beauty Concealer in medium warm, and I'm also gonna set it with my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Morphe by Avani Gregg for the Bebs eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and I'm put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take these three shades that I'm pointing to and put them all on my lids, just right next to each other, and I'm going to blend them into each other. Now I'm using the Stilla Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Next, I'm using Profusion Bright Lights UV Neon Liner and Flash, and I'm just going to use this right on top of that other eyeliner I put down, and also made like a little design right above the crease area. Okay, I already put my lashes on to moisturize my face. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just going to put this all the places where I used the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. Now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Face Powder in 65 Toffee. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to take that top shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take that middle shade and use that. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the AOA Studios Wonder Lipstick in Frost Angel. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this graphic eyeliner eyeshadow makeup look. I enjoyed creating it. I want to just do something a little different. It's something I normally don't do, but I just wanted to try it out. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please comment, like, share. I would love to hear from you all. And everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.